Hi, I'm Julie Hauser with Your Castle Real Estate. So this time of year, I get a lot of questions from folks asking what the next year is going to look like, what 2021 is going to look like in the real estate market. And so I'm going to start off with a recap of 2020 and then move into 2021 and talk a little bit about what we might see happening in the market. I took a look at the Denver Metro Realtors Association, their snapshot of 2020 and for December, and there were 2,500 homes on the market, and that's just over a 49% drop from last year. So pretty significant drop in the amount of homes on the market during that time. This lack of inventory on the market is creating a sense of scarcity. And so what that effects of that is that it's pushing up the home prices and it's creating bidding wars in some levels of the market. So how much higher are the prices? They're on average about 13% higher than they were last year. This price increase can be a little bit misleading. So you need to take a look at the entry-level market, and what you notice is that the inventory levels are very low compared to normal, and then take a look at the luxury market, and those inventory levels are pretty fair, pretty average compared to historical data. The more affluent buyers in our market have been the least affected by the recession, and so those folks have been able to continue to buy homes and take advantage of the incredibly low interest rates. So when you see that 13% increase, that's skewed a little bit because of the amount of the luxury product that we sold in 2020. So the big question, what's going to happen in 2021? With the rollout of the vaccinations, hopefully by midsummer, those folks who wanted to have it will have had it. And the expectation is that the economy will start to improve, and that people who were reluctant to sell in 2020 will now sell in 2021. And then those folks who would have sold in 2021 will do so anyway. By the middle of the year, we should see an increase in the entry-level homes being bought and sold on the market. And then with the luxury homes, we may not see as many, because those folks who are going to buy a luxury home in 2021, they may have already bought it in 2020 due to the pandemic and needing more room. So if indeed we don't sell as many luxury homes in 2021, that will start to push down the home prices, and that increase of 13% might start to get lower sort of middle of the year, maybe towards the end of the year. We expect to still have a very strong market, low inventory, and few days on market and quick closings through this first quarter, maybe in through the second quarter. And we do expect to see an influx of homes come on the market in probably the middle of the year, middle of summer. Maybe we might see some in the springtime. It just depends on how rapidly the vaccinations get distributed. And we anticipate that it's going to be a great year. So if you're thinking about selling your home, first quarter is a great time to do it because there's lack of inventory. So if you have any questions or you want to talk to me about real estate, you can give me a call, 303-501-0988, or you can email me at julie.p.hauser@gmail.com. All right, thanks a lot.